particularly with Everton. Away by company and a change of pace. David Silva slipped as he hit it. This goal here at the Etihad to beat 6 years ago, and it's the same man here. History is going to perhaps repeat itself. A step nearer the title. Helping United's cause with that kick. Sterling, Gundogan, 2-0! Brilliant! This is Manchester City. This is why they're the best. They can hurt you from every player, from every angle. David Silva, here's Sterling. They're in again. Oh! It looked gilt-edged. And though he's got to be offside, but this time Sterling puts it over the bar again. Matic, Pogba to strike it, and Edison to hold it. For Gundogan, good turn by Sanchez. And Pogba, it's beautifully worked by Manchester United. They've got to go back, and that's what Pep Guardiola was fearing with those chances that were missed late in the first half.
Well, it's actually a great goal.
Pogba trying to get in again. He is in again. He scores again. What a comeback by Manchester United, driven by Paul Pogba.
Teammates.
Fernandinho, David Silva. United really fancy their chances here. Weighing up the angles, taken close, but there we go. And it's Smalling! What a turnaround by Manchester United. Chris Smalling ran in. It's over. Sterling. It's Aguero, down he goes. Atkinson spreads his arms.